This is Enoch Finley II here. Welcome to Enoch Finley II. We are going to watch a vacuum video, and I'm gonna find it in here. Dang it.
And we are going to react to it.
Shut up. And we're welcome to, and share with your friends, and I will make sure we're gonna watch one vacuum video. And
subscribe.
And subscribe to Enoch Finley II with right now. Woo!
Subscribe to all of our channels.
Oh
my word.
Oh my word. Oh.
Oh my word. Go ahead and try that at home. Oh my word. That's eating up all the water.
It's gonna sink out of the bag.
Don't scream like that. What's happening? Oh my word, that was really dirty. The vacuum is dead. What the heck? What's that?
It was published in March 29th, 2018.
Yeah, that vacuum was dead.
Oh my word.
Oh
my gosh.
That's dead. Oh, that's a 20-pound weight, dude. That's a
Oh my gosh.
20
Oh my gosh. Look. This vacuum. Oh.
That's a flippin' 20-pound weight.
Guys. Oh, that vacuum's quiet. Poor vacuum. Oh.
We made the vacuum quiet by putting 8 gallons of water in it.
Oh. Ladies. Oh. Okay, guys.
Guys, go check out Cole Finley's 2 so you can see another one of these videos coming out soon.
Okay, guys. We're gonna have another video, and it's gonna be coming out pretty soon. And peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Please subscribe.
I'm gonna record a video.
And I will see you back here tomorrow. See ya.